Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a whole bunch of spill paint right here from the last video I just did. So I figured I would do another video, and I'm going to try and do what I would call a spill transfer. I've seen people transfer blooms onto their canvases and swipes onto their canvases. Why not try and pick this up and put it on my canvas and not waste it? Fingers crossed it works. Be a cool name for it. It's a spill transfer. Alrighty everybody, thanks for joining me. Let's everybody hold their breath until I'm done, okay? Alright hon, hit some music. Let's give this a whirl, see if it works.
My feet will tell me where to go. I'm not afraid to step outside and see the world for what it is. No, spending all my time with people that I barely know. You may have thought that I was lost, but all I need is room to grow. I'm coming home to put a flower in your hand. But you should know I'd rather be instead. Sometimes I feel alone, you know it's me and my guitar. We're looking up the darling stars, singing where we supposed to go now. Tell me what you mean to me, and I'll build a house in Byron Bay, if that's exactly where you'll be. I'm coming home, put a flower in your hair. But you should know, there ain't no place I'd rather be instead. No. I knew that I could heal your pain and dry an ocean from your eyes. If I knew that I could bear the weight, I'd turn your fears into mine. Don't hide your heart away, just place your hand in mine. If I could pull out the stars to shine, I'd light that fire from your eyes to prove to you that I could be the one your heart in time. Don't hide your heart away. Just place your hand in mine. Don't say maybe someday. My love is always on your side. Whoa, 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 oh, 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 whoa, whoa, oh, whoa. If I could draw the strength to give you up, I'd sear my heart with your smile, to burn away every inch of us. I'm not strong enough. I'm not strong enough. Place your hand in mine. Don't say maybe someday. My love is always on your side. If love is what you wanted, to let me fade away. I could be your refuge. Just tell me what to say. Come a little closer, and we could walk away to fight another day. Da 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 da.